I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Ford Focus. So this car has two previous keepers, comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got the radio, which comes with a CD player, Bluetooth, there's also air conditioning, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.6 litre TDCi engine that gives you 113 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done 45,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.